Hello guys, I have a special treat for you. We have a brand new, fresh on the lot as of yesterday, model that Cougar came out with. It's the 354 FLS. It's a really awesome floor plan, so you guys will have to let us know what you think about it. But this, along with everything in our lot and in the showroom, is a part of our sale event that is going on right now. So all of our units are on sale, but you take an additional amount off. So this specific camper, you have an additional $1,500 off the sale price, which is fantastic. And I'll talk about that a little bit more on the inside. And we're gonna show you some stuff on the outside first. I believe this camper weighs just over 10,900 pounds, so it's pretty hefty. Showing you some stuff at the very front, we have our battery box. You have a spare tire and a little bit of extra storage right here. You have not only propane on this side, but you have some on the other side as well. Prepped for side marker cameras. You also have pass-through storage, which is always awesome. And you even have a spot for a key TV, so you can get yourself a TV, hook it up outside, have a fun family movie night. You have two slides on the camping side of this camper, but you have this awning that stretches over this side. So you have that additional shade if you need it. Outdoor speakers. You have your solid steps not only on the main entrance, but there is a second entrance that also has solid steps. And these are great for people who've had hip replacements or maybe a little bit too much to drink, or those dogs to get in and out of the camper. It's just really stable. Your helper handle, kind of a tongue twister, is on both sets of doors as well. Coming to the back, we have our ladder, so it is a fully walkable roof. You have your rear view camera, so all you have to do is just purchase the actual camera part and you're good to go. And you even have some heavy duty storage back here, so all you have to do is just lift this handle and you're able to pull out the drawer. If you have heavier items, it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to crawl in there. So now let's take a look at this floor plan. I'm going to start at the very front. So this is a front living, as you can see. Your cedar reclining seats are right next to the steps, and these do have heating and massage elements, which are really cool. There's also remote control storage or snack storage. You do have opposing sofas that do fold out into a bed, so you can sleep a couple people on there if you have guests or kids. Pull down curtains all the way across that are black out, as you can see. And then right across from your theater seats, you have a perfect view of your TV. So all you have to do, once it's plugged in and everything, you have power, you're able to slide your TV up. But if you don't want to watch TV, you want to enjoy your lake view, you know, people watch, all that type of stuff, you have this huge window right there that is tinted. It's not completely blacked out, but it is tinted. Your fireplace is down at the bottom. And what's really nice about this, it does heat up your camper. So you don't have to run it completely on propane. You can run it on electric, which is really nice, but you get that extra homey feel. Storage on either side. A couple sets of drawers. And then your Bluetooth speaker system is right there. So that's where you would access your outdoor speakers as well as your indoor. And then you have even more storage. Put board games up there, DVDs, all that type of stuff. You do have two sets of ACs in this camper. So one in your living room, one in the back bedroom. So you'll be completely cool during those hot summer days. My favorite part is the kitchen. I think it's huge. Plus, they have that new updated colors, which look fantastic. Right next to your steps leading up to the living room, we have our sink. Storage is below it, but it's a 50-50 split sink, stainless steel, with a pull-down spray nozzle. You have a plug-in right there, maybe put a coffee maker, air fryer, something. And then kind of making an L shape, we have our 3-burner top stove with a glass range cover. And this thing is great, so when you're ready to use it, I really don't advise using it with the glass on, like don't turn it on. But when you are ready to use it, you just flip it up and it prevents grease from splashing all over your walls, your windows, all that type of stuff. And there's your oven. Looking just above, we have our residential size microwave. storage cabinets that kind of run along it. To the left, we have our residential size stainless steel refrigerator. Forgot that it was locked for towing purposes. It's actually bigger than the one at my house. Storage is up above. And then moving on over, we have a coffee bar. So you can put your coffee maker here instead of by the sink, but you have a lot of extra countertop space for food prepping if you need it. Storage is below and above. And then this is the sale price for this unit, so it is $53,950. And like I said before, you have an additional $1,500 off, which is great. Across from that, you have your freestanding dinette. Love the carpet, or not carpet, I guess this is kind of like a rug material, but this is stain resistant, I believe, so if you spill something, you're able to wipe it up. But I wanted to say, I love this, I don't know, upholstered look, I would say. I couldn't think of what I was trying to say. Love that there. Coming back, this is the second entrance that I showed you guys outside. Your command system is across from this one. This is really great. All you have to do is just download the app and you're able to access your lights, your slides, all that type of stuff through there, which is fantastic. Now, coming into the bathroom, to the left is our sink. You have a plug-in right there if you need it. Storage is below and in the medicine cabinet. Crossed is your toilet. Porcelain toilet with a foot flush. Kind of important. And then you have this cabinet all the way up there. And I wanted to point out there's really tall ceilings. Makes the room feel so much more open. You have your air vent up there. A skylight just above your shower. And then your shower has a really pretty marble looking pattern that they got going on. But they started incorporating the new clear glass in the Cougars, which I think is a lot nicer. Makes it look a lot more open. And then last but not least, coming into our master bedroom. This is a king size bed. You have storage underneath it. End tables on both sides with a little bit of cubbies. Plus you have outlets and USB phone charging ports on both sides so you can charge your electronics while you're sleeping. Then you have coat closets. I guess just regular closets on both sides. They're actually extra tall because the ceilings are so tall, but you're able to hang up your clothes. And you have storage that kind of connects the both of them. There's your second AC that I was telling you guys about. And then right across, you actually have a spot for a key TV, so you can hook a TV up in here. And then, opening these cabinet doors, you have even more closet storage. Plus, this is also a spot where your washer and dryer are prepped, so you can put that right here. And then we have our wardrobe slide. So if you have so much clothes, you can hang them up in your closet wardrobes. This closet right here, and you have this. So just lots of space. Storage is always so important in camping, when camping. So that is it for this floor plan, you guys. Let us know what you think about it.